Okay, so today I got two Zelus products I'm doing a review on. First is this awesome 40-pound weighted vest. It's great for any time you're doing any type of cardio, really any type of training. It's a half vest, so you don't lose any of your movability. You're able to move every way you need to with this half vest on. And with it being 40 pounds, it's ideal. The second product is this massive backstop right here. So as you can see, this backstop is huge. It is literally taller than me with my hands all the way extended. This thing's got to be 10 feet by, I don't know, 12 feet. This thing's absolutely huge. What I like to do with it, I have this weighted softball right here, and I just do some throwing drills just right into it. It returns it back very, very easy. So you just, very, very nice. Then with the weighted ball and the added vest, you're just working on all that upper body strength, all that torque going right through there. Yep. All day long, this Zelus backstop is great. So you can use it. I use it as a throwing net because it returns that ball so well. But you could also use it as a backstop. So if someone was pitching some balls to me and we don't want to go chasing them, perfect backstop. Just stand right about here, hit your balls. They'll hit the backstop and just roll right up. So I mean, just a great, great piece right here. Zelus backstop, absolutely great. You're definitely gonna want one. You won't regret it. Hey everybody, I'm just doing this review on two Zelus products. So first off is this Zelus half vest. It's a 40-pound weighted vest. It fits great. I love that it's just the half vest. That way there's no limit in movability. I mean, you're able to do all your movement, no problem, very easily with this little vest on. Second product is this Zelus hitting net. So really, really cool product. I love just teeing up some softballs, hitting it straight in. Grab a couple balls right quick. We'll just put one on right there and just work on some contact drills. There we go. And you're kind of doing it whenever you're working on contact deals, wearing this 40-pound vest, you're getting stronger in your torque. So really, really, really good practice reps right here. Yeah, great net, great vest. Zelus is really putting on some great products for all of our sporting fans. Oh yeah, good stuff here.